I'm Carrie Munson. I have been with the city almost 33 years. My goal was to represent women in the management supervisor level. The time that I've had to work with women in trades, to talk to the other women, there are more women coming into the male-dominated workforce, which is really wonderful. And these women, they do want to work. They work hard, and office work is not for everybody, and now there's just so many more opportunities for women. I really care about people, and I think it starts with people, and that was another reason to take this position, to try to help make a change, because I've been at this bureau for a long time, and I know it's a great place, and we're all a big family, and we take care of each other. We do, we really do, and it's just so great to be a part of that.